In breaking news coming in, the Ministry of Home Affairs sources have told Times Now that the Indian embassy officials are in touch with the US counterparts insofar as Zubair Ahmed's arrest is concerned. MHA sources say that since Zubair was directly in touch with Hafiz Saeed's son, any information will be useful. In fact, we are learning from our sources that Indian embassy officials have got in touch with their American counterparts, and they say that the LET is an organization which is principally dedicated against anti-India activities. All its major terrorist acts in the past have been directed against India, and that's why the arrest of an alleged operative would be of interest to India, and that Indian authorities have also said that they would get in touch with the US government whenever they are in a position to share information with the Indian authorities. Nikunj Garg now joins us on the phone line for more on this. Nikunj, when can we expect the Indian authorities to get in touch formally with the US authorities for information sharing on Zubair Ahmed?
They are actually, as I was told just 2 hours ago, that they are actually trying to get in touch with the United States Department of Justice. And it's my understanding of the entire situation that they are by now in touch with them. But, your question and the most pertinent part of that question is that by when can they get the information from the U.S. authorities? And the United States Department of Justice has actually started mounting a legal trial in this entire case. They are in the process of building a very strong case. They have brought up some very tangible evidence against this individual who has been in touch with the son of the founder of Lashkar-e-Taiba, a man who has been specially designated global terrorist under Indian pressure, and India is very keenly demanding his extradition. So my own sense is that the coming week would be very crucial, and that's what the officials in the Ministry of Home Affairs and the top intelligence officials also are telling me, that in the next 1 week, Indian concern, of course, in all of this remains that, if there is a plot, if there is a conspiracy, because Lashkar-e-Taiba is an organization which has done all its principal terror activity against India.